Alright, people, welcome back to a short video with RC Fanbo in the place. This one is just a sneak preview. Some of my RCs that you don't see very often. This is a personalized one. This one is still in the workings. Conversion. Yeah. I got Shelf Queen up here. This is my silver D12. I don't take this one out very much. The one on top up there is my son's. Don't really use that one very much either. And this is one that I built from scratch, from tin cans and lollipop sticks. It drives. I just don't drive it very often. But you see this very soon. Yeah, folks, short one from RC Fanbo. I'll see you all in a little bit. I hope you like it. Peace out.